In today's video, we're gonna be going over all of the good stuff that I bought from Costco today. It's a big haul, and as usual on the channel, it is all plant-based, mostly gluten-free, and it's high protein. And if you aren't already, subscribe because I do grocery hauls, meal preps, lots of good recipes, what I eat in a day videos, all that fun stuff. As a special bonus in this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 4 new Costco finds. They are new and exciting to me, and I've never seen them before or tried them before, so stay tuned for those 4 fun items. So I might as well just kick it off with number 4, being these dates. They are from Joe Mara. It's a brand I am familiar with because I have bought their date paste before. They're these nice little dates. They're called Sprag dates. Maybe I'm not pronouncing that right, but it's a huge box for a really good deal. Like, I think it's $9 for 2 kilograms of these really nice soft dates. And I use dates all the time as a kind of a sugar replacement in baking, in smoothies, and all sorts of recipes. So I'm really excited to try these out and see if they taste any different or maybe even better than medjool dates. I'm thinking of trying to do some sort of new stuffed date recipe to show you guys, maybe like a sweet version and a savory version, maybe one with like feta in it, plant feta of course. So yeah, be on the lookout for a video including that recipe. So that was item number 4. Make sure you stay tuned throughout the rest of the video where I cover my next 3 top picks. Moving along, let us chat about our produce. That was a good one. Starting off in the produce aisle, I am a creature of habit and I tend to buy the same things every time I go to Costco. So nothing super new or crazy. I got a big thing of the mini bellas mushrooms. They are hefty and hearty, love them. Got a bit of cauliflower, and I also got some frozen stuff. I got a big, massive bag of frozen broccoli, and I got some frozen strawberries. I do often get the frozen blueberries from Costco too, but I'm just running out of blueberries, and I figured, increase the plant diversity. Let's try a different berry this month. We also got some bell peppers, some hella expensive bell peppers, I might add. These were like $10.99. Like, it's insane, the price of groceries right now, people, it's insane. And we got some spring mix, because, I'm trying to be a healthy girl in 2025, so gonna eat more salads, more Buddha bowls, more greens. It's time for my number 3 new top find from Costco. They are these layered fruit bars from Kashi. I feel like I've seen them before, but I have not bought them until today. Boughten? I don't think boughten is a word, but oh my gosh, you guys, they are unreal. I will admit, as soon as we got home from our grocery shop, we pretty much just launched right into the box. We were clearly too hungry, and they are so good. There's 3 different flavors, and Brad and I each had all 3 flavors. I'm gonna definitely be enjoying these as kind of like a sweet treat for when I have a sugar craving, but I can still feel good about myself by not indulging in like a donut or a cookie. To finish off the produce, I got a bag of shallots. I usually get onions, but I'm trying to, be different and cool, so we're trying shallots today, the milder version of an onion. Or should I say the milder cousin of an onion. And I got a big bag of limes. It is time for my Costco top find number 2 of my shop today, and it is so awesome. I have loved peanut butter powder for ages, but I've not seen it at Costco until today. I found a big tub of PB Fit, and I hope it's as good as the brand I'm familiar with. I usually have PB and Me, but oh my gosh, you guys, it's such a good deal. This giant jar was, I think, $13.99, which is like the price of a small one that I normally buy. Peanut butter is great if you're looking for a lower calorie version of peanut butter. It's basically partially defatted peanuts that have been ground up into a powder that you can just reconstitute with water. It's perfect in smoothies and in baking and all sorts of good recipes. So highly recommend you try something like this, and I'm excited to see how I like this version of peanut butter powder. We also got a monstrously huge jar of garlic stuffed olives. It's a beast of a jar. Mostly for Brad. I do love an olive here and there. They're a good source of healthy fats. I do like to include them in recipes like my niçoise salad, and they're also just a nice little savory munchy snack. Another item I always get from Costco because it's a good deal is their organic extra firm tofu. They've recently started selling this brand of, or what's it called? Soyganic tofu in a big box of 5. It's a great deal, and I use tofu literally like every single day of my life. So I often will buy like 2 boxes at a time. So highly recommend you try the tofu at Costco. I also have a video with a whole bunch of different tofu recipes that you can check out right up here. Covers some of my favorite ways that I make tofu on the regular, but be on the lookout for another video coming up in the next few weeks. I'm probably gonna show you guys some more ways to cook tofu because tofu is so popular, and I just wanna do that for you guys. Another thing that I always buy from Costco is their canned chickpeas. I will also buy their canned black beans, but I am stocked up on those. Their chickpeas are awesome, they're organic, and they're just a good deal, so I always recommend their chickpeas. We also got some sourdough bread. Now, if you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm actually gluten-free, but I have been trying to incorporate a little bit of gluten in my diet here and there just to see how it makes me feel, because I have been gluten-free for like over 12 years, and I am just interested to see kind of what effect it has on me, and I am planning on doing a video on this subject in a few weeks to talk to you guys about my journey into eating gluten again and seeing if I have gotten over my gluten intolerance. So stay tuned for that video. Better than bouillon. You guys, this stuff is my jam. I used to buy the Tetra packs of, you know, like the cartons of veggie broth, but this is so much better. You get this like jar of vegetable broth paste that makes like something like 100 cups of veggie broth per jar, and it's so delicious. You just plop it into your pot of soup or whatever it is you're making, and Bob's your uncle. It's really good, and I highly recommend you try it at some point in your life. Now, this next item is perhaps the unhealthiest part of my haul today, and it's barbecue sauce. But I often will just use it kind of sparingly, as it is relatively high in sugar, and I do my best to not really eat anything with a lot of sugar in it. But I do love me a good shredded tofu barbecue sandwich, or shredded barbecue tofu in a wrap or something. It's really good. It's such a convenient recipe that you can check out up here. And the Bullseye barbecue sauce was on sale today, so I couldn't say no. I got a flat of organic tomato paste, just a pantry staple that I always have for pastas, chilies, soups, all sorts of cozy dishes. And I also got a couple boxes of their canned coconut milk. I love Chaw's Organics. It is absolutely the best tasting coconut milk out there, and it's organic. It's amazing. And they actually are a company that doesn't use monkey labor to harvest their coconuts. I did not know this was a thing until recently. Did you guys know that forced monkey labor is prevalent in the coconut industry? I didn't, and it blew my mind, and I'm really happy that I'm supporting a brand that does not use forced monkey labor, so yay! Now this next item very nearly made it onto my top Costco finds portion of this video, but because it's not new to me and I buy it all the time, it didn't quite make the cut. But they are awesome, and they're the 1 degree organic sprouted gluten-free rolled oats. Quite the mouthful, both figuratively and literally. They're delicious. I eat oats almost every day, if not several times a week. I make oatmeal very many times during the week, and the reason why I prefer to get these oats over other oats is because 1, they're organic, but 2, they're sprouted, so they're actually a little bit higher in protein than just regular old-fashioned oats. So I love these. I actually bought 5 bags of them today because they're on sale, and your girl has to stock up because I am an oat fiend. I have no shame. They're gonna last me for another 6 months, okay? We also got a big bag of whole bean French vanilla coffee. Now, this one's more for Brad. He does occasionally like to have a cup of kind of fancy flavored coffee here and there, so this is more of a Brad pick. I'm more of a mushroom coffee girl myself, but I'm sure he's going to enjoy this coffee very much. All right, guys, it's time for my #1 top Costco find of the day, and this one is a doozy in the best way possible. I found these Sprag cans of soup and their chilies. Now, I am already a huge fan of Sprag. They have amazing soups and stews and chilies and all that good stuff, and they're such a good deal. They have 3 different kinds of soup and chili, and they're all a really reasonable price. And today we bought the organic lentil soup and their triple bean chili. I'm already a huge fan of their triple bean chili, and I've not tried their lentil soup until today when we got home from Costco, of course, and it's really good. The chili is 16 grams of protein per serving, which is amazing. And then the lentil soup, it's I think 8 grams of protein, which is still awesome. So if you're looking for a really good, quick and convenient, high protein, throw together meal, highly recommend you guys look into these Sprag soups and chilies because they're really healthy, made with clean ingredients. They're all vegan and gluten-free, and they're just really tasty. So there you go, my #1 top pick from Costco today. These next 2 items, they are not groceries, but they are more like household items that I've run out of and needed to restock on. I got some Tide laundry pods and Finish dishwasher detergent tabs. I will be the first one to admit I do not love using either of these products, not because they don't do a good job, but because one, they're wasteful and they are probably full of chemicals that I know probably aren't the best for me. So I am still on the hunt for a more natural alternative to both items. I would love your suggestions if you have any of your favorite natural and more sustainable laundry and dishwashing cleaning products. Let me know, drop them in a comment because I would love to stop being wasteful when it comes to my dishwasher and laundry products. That's it, I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Bye bye.